afternoon. I am Skhumbuzo Manganye, the Acting Chief Director for Curriculum Development Programs in the Department of Education, KwaZulu-Natal. We have just concluded a workshop on the early grade reading instruction, commonly known as AGRI, the purpose of which is to improve literacy at the foundation phase level. We have had 4 districts because we have clustered districts into 3. We have had 4 of them. Those are Umkhanyakude, King Cetshwayo, Ilembe, and Pinetown. So we have just concluded the session. It went very well. It is a collaborative effort between the Department of Education and VVOB, which is one of our partners in the Department of Education. So the whole purpose is to improve literacy at the foundation level. The program continues because we will take the next 4 districts starting from tomorrow, yes, for the next 2 days, and then we will then conclude with the other 4, so that we can confidently say that we have run this program throughout the 12 districts. It is a very important program, as we know that during Lekgotla, our president declared the reading challenges or the literacy challenges as a national emergency. This is our intervention, working with our partners to turn around things. Thank you very much.